The results of the first common entrance examination was released in May 1957. Prior to this British standardized examination, those who went to secondary schools were the children of parents who could afford the fees. Under Prime Minister Norman Manley Florizel Glassbowl, the then Minister of Education, introduced the Common Entrance Examination. Prior to 1957, during colonial reign in Jamaica, there was a handful of parish scholarships available for outstanding students from low-income families. These parish scholarships provided approximately 130 free places in high schools. The Common Entrance Examination initially offered 2,000 free places, which increased over the years. Furthermore, secondary schools have their own entrance examinations, so they had complete control of admissions. As such, parents with connections or money could buy entry into a school if the child didn't pass the school's entrance exam. The Common Entrance Examination brought some improvements to this unequal system that often denied admissions to bright, low-income children. The British examination included tests in intelligence, English, and math. The government paid full tuition and related costs for a very small group of those with exceptional scores. The government paid full tuition for a larger group who received free places, but costs such as books and uniforms were not covered. This was good news for those parents who could not have afforded high school fees under the previous educational system. Those students who received minimum standard grades on the test received grant-in-aid places. Parents were responsible to pay their tuition plus all other expenses. The government also paid the school a subsidy or grant-in-aid. Problems soon occurred with the Common Entrance Examination. The 45 high schools established during the colonial era had insufficient student capacity for all successful Common Entrance Examination students, since the government did not increase the number of high schools under British rule. Also, it became obvious that children attending fee-paying private prep schools were completely outperforming children in government primary schools for scarce high school places. An analysis of results showed only 1 in 86 students from primary school had a chance of winning a free place as compared to 1 in 4 students from prep schools. Edwin Allen, during his tenure as Minister of Education, tried to address the unbalanced passing rates between students attending primary schools and prep school students who had further advantage with extra lessons. However, Education Minister Allen and education ministers thereafter had to deal with other issues with the Common Entrance Examination. The Common Entrance Examination was phased out in 1999 and replaced with GSAT, but that too was eliminated for its current replacement known as PEP.